Hi folks, I just wanted to share the final destination that we have come to. This is the end of the line for our beautiful water feature. I think we did an amazing job. I am really excited about how the waterfall came out. And in all honesty, this pond came out to be a lot bigger than we expected it to. It's beautiful, I love it. We put the plants back in. They survived one hell of a, I don't know, it was just madness, I tell you. I'm glad that they have survived. Let's see about the water hyacinths. They look kind of shabby, but hopefully they will make it. If not, we'll invest in more. You can see this pot that's empty. That's once where the cattails were. Hopefully they'll grow back. If not, we'll invest in more, like I said. Now we did put some what are they called? Elephant ears down in the water. I'm hoping they'll shoot up because they're down in there. If not, we'll probably drown them out. And I'm sorry about that, but that's the way it goes. Anyhow, I just want to give a shout out to Eric Triplett and his crew. Without his help and all his videos on YouTube, we've never been able to make such a cute little waterscape here. If you want to check him out, he's on YouTube as The Pond Digger. He has a website called theponddigger.com. Lots of tips and pointers. Extremely professional. I just love watching what he has to make and create. He's amazing. He's definitely an artist in this retrospect. Anyhow, I'm going to sit back and enjoy all this real quick. So if you're interested, me and Brian are definitely excited and willing to create an amazing waterscape for you. You just let us know. You can always find me here on Facebook. My email address is adelitafiero@gmail.com. Let me know. I'd love to give you something that's this amazing and comfortable for your yard. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.